Let's make a drink called, and pardon me Xavier if I butcher the pronunciation of this, the Capitan Calamar. We are going to stir this drink, so I'm going to start by putting 1.5 ounces of the Kraken black spice rum into my mixing glass. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And I'm running a little low. I'm going to have to get another bottle. 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of orange curacao, and I did go back and forth a lot using orange curacao versus using a hearing cherry liqueur, and I ended up using the orange curacao. 1 teaspoon is something in metrics, which I'll list down below. And finally, 1/4 teaspoon of grenadine. Again, metrics will be listed down below, but I think it's 1.5 milliliters. There's a little bit more, which is going to be perfect. And I dropped the spoon in there so that it can help wash out the syrup. And I do make my own grenadine. If you want to make some at home, feel free to do so. Check out the video, the link will be down below. It'll also be at the end of the video. Now I'm going to get some ice, which I already have. Take my spoon out, set those aside, fill the mixing glass with ice. Well, not all the way. And give it a stir. That's stirred enough, I think. I'm going to strain that into my coupe. Garnish with 1 maraschino cherry and a twist of orange. Express, wipe, and I'm going to set this aside. And there you have it. Capitan Calamar. Drink for good spirits.